First thing first, create a project, go to games and select third person as template. Rename the project Heightmap. Okay, after this, go to file, new level, set empty level. Okay, select landscape mode. After that, we have to import landscape height map from a file. How to get this file? You have to go to this website. You can import any height map in the world. Okay, zoom out. Look at this. Choose any place in the world. You can choose any height map. This is latitude and this is the magnitude. The zoom and the output zoom. This is world maps. You can import from this, and this normally is regular or smart or off. Make it smart. This is size of the item. I want to choose this. Okay, output width and output height. Okay, for me, I want to choose a default height map from this interesting example. I want to choose, for example, this mountain Everest. Zoom in. Okay, this is my height map. It shows any place from this Everest. I can make it bigger by going here. Make this. Okay, let's choose this height map 2070, and here we can generate your height map. Takes some time to generate. Generating is complete. Now let's return here to my UE5. Save current driver height map. Let's return here to landscape. Import from file. Select your current file. And look at this height map resolution. Okay, hit import. And let's set speed of the camera. 16. Now let's set up the lighting. Go to the window. Environment light mixer. Okay, fine. This is the Everest mountain height map. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Support me in the Patreon. Subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Okay, hit save.